Hey everybody, this is Jessica Present, and I'm welcoming you to STSU120, a remote version of career development. I want to do another quick overview of Blackboard. I realize that you may know Blackboard. I also realize that it was already a small overview, but I just thought I'd point out kind of things that might be maybe slightly different from this course site. So here you see we have our course content. There are 10 modules, and it's really important to know that for each module, the majority of everything in there, unless it's noted, okay, will be due on the Sunday of the week of the module. Think of the modules as starting on a Monday and ending on a Sunday. So first and foremost, our syllabus. So I want to invite everybody to open the syllabus, to review it, print it out, review it, highlight it. This is going to be your guide to the course. Any questions at all, feel free to email me through the course site. And if you have anything that might be for the good of the class, you can also put it in our discussion board, which I'll show you. Always fine to ask a question. That, of course, that is a question that everyone would see. So again, for the good of the class, that's just fine. Okay, so we've already seen briefly our course content, modules 1 through 10. So the ending with putting the pieces together and starting with course overview. Important to each and every time you log in, and again, logging in at least several times a week is important. You want to check your announcements because I will be making announcements. Things may change, things may be added. I'm always going to be upfront and tell you about everything, but I really need you to be sure to check your announcements each and every time. Discussions are here. Again, here's your course question if you have a question, and then these discussions will fit into a variety of modules. Here's course mail that we spoke about briefly. Of course, here is your grades, where you will find your grades. And I think that in terms of our course, those are the most important things to know. So I'm so looking forward to having you get involved in this course. I'm happy to answer questions, about topics that you may have them on. Please do not be afraid to ask questions, to email me. I'll try to get back to you in a timely manner, usually 24 to 48 hours. And I'm, wishing everyone well in the class. It's a great course. I really hope you're going to enjoy it. I know that I enjoy teaching it. Okay, so we will be back in touch and hope to, talk with all of you online. Bye.